Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Thakkar and today I will be making Nutritional Bowl. So, to start, we will heat up the pan. So I will add a little bit of oil. I'll try my best to have it as low as possible. Then I'll add onions. Then I will be adding bell peppers. I have two kind of bell peppers, so you can also use one. Then I will add tofu, which is good for proteins and is also good for health. Then I'll be adding a little bit of seasoning. Then I'll be adding some salt. Stir and let it cook for 2 minutes. Till this is being cooked, let's make our sauce. So this is yogurt, also known as Dahi, and this is fresh cream. So I have added yogurt and cream and we will mix it to make our sauce. Let's mix it and keep it away. This is my tiffin box which I normally take to school. So I will now be adding Daliya, also known as cracked wheat, which is the most important thing in our recipe. It is full of nutrients and fiber and is also boiled. So I will add this. Now I will be adding some corn, which is full of fibers too. I will be adding it on one place, and now on the other side I will be adding tomatoes. And now, last but not the least, I will be adding the stir-fried vegetables. So now I will be adding salad leaves, also known as green leaves, which you can normally get in Baroda. And then I will be adding my sauce. I will now be adding vinaigrette. I'll just drizzle it a little bit on top. And then for the topping, I'll be adding microgreens. Now this is also found in Vadodara normally and is very nutritional and is very good for health. This is more healthier than other leaves or other greens which you use. So you can also use this, and this is now ready. This bowl includes a lot of nutrients, a lot of potassium, proteins, iron, calcium, fiber, and different kind of more nutrients. So, thank you, and please do make this recipe at your home.